मेरा नाम विनोद यादव। मैं इंदौर से आया। बच बेटी का नाम है आराध्या यादव। पहले इसको और वाइफ का नाम सरिता यादव। पहले डॉक्टर वीरेंद्र मेहर सर को दिखाया था। वीरेंद्र मेहर सर ने डॉक्टर सुदीप वर्मा को रेफ़र किया। सुदीप वर्मा सर ने किम्स हॉस्पिटल का एडवाइस दिया, वहाँ कार्डियक सर्जरी अच्छा है। यहाँ पे हम आए, एडमिट हुए, मतलब 31 को सर्जरी हुआ। 31 को सर्जरी हुआ, पोस्ट ऑफ सर्जरी 2 दिन आईसीयू में रखा। सर्जन है अनिल कुमार सर। उसके बाद कार्डियक सर्जरी हुआ, फिर वार्ड में शिफ्ट किया। पेशेंट अभी बेटर है, ओरल फीडिंग खाना वगैरह अच्छे से ले रहे। पेशेंट को प्रॉब्लम था एचडी हार्ट में होल, तो वो सर्जरी सक्सेस हुआ। अभी पेशेंट ओरल फीडिंग खाना वगैरह चपाती वगैरह अच्छे से ले रहे हैं। यहाँ का स्टाफ भी अच्छा है, आई अम्मा भी वगैरह, मतलब सब क्लीनिंग वगैरह सब अच्छा है यहाँ का हॉस्पिटल का। बढ़िया।
Good evening, everybody. I am Dr. Sudeep, pediatric cardiology consultant working at KIMS Hospital, Hyderabad. During our regular visit to the Indore, Madhya Pradesh, where we are holding our clinic twice a month, we confronted one patient, Aradhya. She's around 2 year old, 2 months baby. She's suffering from one of the simple heart disease to be considered known as atrial septal defect, ASD, which used to be operated at the age of 4 years. But when we saw the patient, we found out the patient is not growing well. The weight is also not growing. The patient weight was only 7.5 kg, and the child was symptomatic with frequent respiratory tract infection as well as the excessive sweating. When we saw that there was a large ostium secundum ASD, usually, as I already told, the patient is above in the usual condition. The date for or the age for the operation recommended is between 3 to 4 years of age. But when we saw, we found out to have the large secundum ASD in presence of symptoms. So we decided to do surgery as fast as possible. As the other rims, the margins of the defect is deficient, we won't able to device was in such case, so we decided to go for the surgical correction. We called patient to the Sikandrabad KIMS hospital, where she underwent successful ASD surgical closure and got discharged in the 5 days of hospital stay. On discharge, the baby was asymptomatic, and now we will follow that patient in Indore during our regular clinic. As we saw, the heart size even after the surgery got reduced, and we expected to have normal growth and normal development of the baby, as the heart disease which is causing this problem is already taken care of very well at the KIMS hospital Secunderabad. Other doctors, they showed to number of clinicians in Indore as well as to other places, where they told as the ASD is there, so they advised to do surgery only at the 3 to 4 years of age. But when we saw, we assessed, we found out the child is symptomatic, not growing well, and there are very meager facility of the surgical correction of such cases at that place at that age. So that's why we call this patient to Sikandrabad, where she underwent successful surgical closure of ASD. So after surgery, we asked parents' opinion. They were very happy, and also we were very happy because the this is the simplest condition. If we got corrected or if we got treated at very early age, it got very good results. So as a clinician, we are also feeling happy. So the child is now getting discharged and already got discharged and now doing very well. Thank you.